All right, everybody, welcome to Firebird Friday. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the week. Now here we have a blue Trans Am provided to us from Steel City Mafia Racing. Now this is the kit car that I have. The kit car has been to the speed shop. I'm not sure about the blue Trans Am. We will let the Steel City Mafia Trans Am for our Firebird Friday. We'll let them set the pace to begin with. Hope everybody's having a wonderful day so far. Oh, they're laying down a good time, 3:06.5. So Kit has got a job on him. He's got to beat 3:06.5. Can he do it? Will we be winners with our in-house car on Firebird Friday? Let's find out if Kit can beat a 3:06.5. Oh, he tripped up. That calls for a reset. Here we go. Starting gate is reset. Let's try that again. Are we winners on Firebird Friday? 3:06.5, time to beat. Oh, we are. Kit pulls out the win with a 3:02.9. Speed Shop definitely helped that car out.